The baby boomers generation, which born in 1946 until 1964, are true digital immigrants. They encountered social media as adults or even seniors. First one is history of usage. Based on our interviews and article we read, boomers generally started using social media relatively late, around 2008 to 2012. Their main platform were Facebook and later WhatsApp. Why they started using social media? Okay, so I will explain that their primary goal was purely personal connection. They wanted to reconnect with old school friends, keep up with their extended family, and share photos. And the last thing I want to explain is the change in experience. Their experience evolved from just using to actively using features like group for vocal communities and sharing news, often verified news. They tend to have a more positive attitude toward social media and privacy than younger generation.
Gen X is in the middle. They bridge the analog and digital eras. They were early adopters of home internet. 1. History of usage. They started earlier than boomers, around the early to mid 2000, experimenting with MySpace, Friendster, and the link and Facebook. 2. Reason for usage. Their usage is dual purpose, personal and professional. They use social media for career networking, researching product before buying, and finding practical solution for daily life. DIY education. They value efficiency. 3. Change in experience. They witness social media transform from simple internet forums into powerful platform for personal branding and e-commerce. They tend to be more wary of intrusive advertising than boomers.
Millennials are the first generation to truly integrate social media into their daily lives, especially during their college years and early careers. They made Facebook popular among university students around 2004. They also pioneered Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. They are the generation with the longest consistent social media usage. Their reasons for usage are highly diverse: self-expression, entertainment, news consumption, and political activism. They use social media to build a curated online identity. They experienced a major shift from the era of internet anonymity to an era where every aspect of life is shared publicly, or FOMO, fear of missing out. They became more conscious of online identity and influencer marketing. My personal experience using social media. I use apps like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. I started being active on social media since COVID-19. I actively use social media to get information because I wasn't allowed to go out. I also use TikTok and YouTube to get entertainment. And besides that, I can also gain knowledge from many people through social media.
Gen Z, born in 1997 to 2012, are true digital native. They've never lived without high-speed internet. Gen Alpha, on the other hand, which is born in 2010 plus, are even more connected, raised in the era of tablets and smart toys. So there is some points that I want to explain. The first one is the history of usage. Gen Z jumps straight to visual or video platforms like YouTube, Snapchat, and most notably, TikTok. They largely avoid Facebook and rarely use Twitter. The second of all is the reason. Their main goals are instant entertainment, filling spare time, and using platforms like TikTok as their primary search engine. They value authenticity and disappearing content. And the last thing is the change in experience. The change here is the absolute domination of short-form video. Text usage is almost non-existent compared to boomers. They also have a high awareness of privacy, having learned from the previous generation's mistake.